Hello and welcome to Pink Cloud. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to make cute little colorful fish out of egg cartons. Here are the things you'll need. Egg cartons, scissors, glue, 12 larger beads. I'm using wooden ones, but you can use any kind you like. Googly eyes, or you can draw them if you don't have those. Some fishing line or regular thread, and markers or paints for decorating. Now when have what we need, let's start creating our fish. First, cut out the middle cup sections from your egg cartons. These will be the body pieces for the fish. For me, it is easier to tear them out with my hands, but you can use scissors instead. To make one fish, you'll need 8 cup sections from the middle part of the cartons, so you'll need 2 10-egg cartons. Each 10-egg carton has only 4 of those, so 2 cartons make 1 fish. I am using 1 10-egg carton and 2 6-egg cartons, since I have those small ones in fun, vibrant colors. Make sure to trim the edges neatly and make them a bit round so they fit together nicely. As you can see, I'm using egg cartons in different colors because I want my fish to be nice and colorful. You can also paint your cup pieces with any colors you like. Just let your imagination play and be creative. Now that I have all 8 cup pieces ready, I'm going to thread them onto the fishing line I prepared earlier. If you don't have fishing line, you can use regular thread, yarn, or whatever you have at home. I'll start from the fish tail. Take 1 cup piece in your chosen color and cut it to shape the tail of the fish. Then thread your line through it and add 1 bead at the end. That will stop the fish from swimming away. fish body. After the tail, we're going to add the next cup piece, but this time, turn it the other way around and make it a bit shorter. Then slide on another cup piece, with the wider part facing down again, just like the tail. Now we can start adding the rest of the body pieces. Between each cup section, add 2 beads. This will make our fish flexible and able to move nicely, just like a real one. Keep threading the pieces and beads, alternating them until you reach the front of the fish, where the head will go. That way, the head will be a little separated from the body, which makes it look even nicer. Now that I've threaded all 8 cup pieces, it's time for the final decorations. Now let's cut out 2 small fins from the leftover carton pieces and glue them onto the fish. Just a little more and our fish will come to life, and we'll have to be careful soon so it doesn't swim away. Time to give our fish some eyes. I'll just glue these little googly ones on. And look, it's already getting some personality. Now I can finally see where it's slinging. If you don't have googly eyes, don't worry. You can draw them with a black marker, or cut them out from colored paper. There we go, just a little more and our fish will come to life, and we'll have to be careful soon so it doesn't swim away. colorful fish is all done. If you want, you can add more fins or draw some scales. There are so many fun ways to decorate your fish. They can be a lovely home decoration or a playful little toy. The choice is yours. Please subscribe to my Pink Cloud Arts and Crafts channel if you enjoyed this video tutorial. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss more fun DIY videos coming soon. If you decide to make this fish yourself, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me how it went and what colors you chose for your fish. Thank you so much for watching.